Welcome, people. You know what's gonna happen now? This is the reality acting series begin.
It's a competition in shortening for December, Christmas, should say. So somebody Christmas go marry and it go take hard work and determination for the last contestant. The last one left standing. You know what I mean? So stay tuned and be a part of this journey where you, the viewers, is gonna have a choice in the fate of these contestants. So today we're gonna introduce all of the contestants them for this acting competition that's gonna attract. You're gonna prize is gonna be 100,000. Last one left standing. Anybody stay in it to the end. So you go showcase who come to play around or who come to be
A real actress.
a real actress
Or an actor.
or actor. You know what I mean? So we have more females than male participating in this. So we're gonna kick off it today. So we have a batch of people today and then next week we have a different batch. So we're gonna cancel out some from today and then next week we're gonna have a different batch, then we're gonna cancel out of that and then we're gonna come down to the last final. So you ready? Let's go.
And when we reach the last final, I gonna make the vote.
Yes, so remember, you have to vote for your special one who you like. Based upon how them act or based on how them talk or whatever you like about them, bam, you go say team, whatever the person name in the comments. That's where we're gonna check the comments them and we're gonna count off who have the most. Every person only can vote once for one person. You can't vote for two person. You have to vote for one. That makes it easy for us to eliminate it. Viewers' choice, let's go. You know that I have all of the contestants one place for this week. You know the competition is a viewer's choice. So the people on YouTube them go choose. Right? So not to be nervous about. It's just one topic and all I'm gonna go act with the one topic and we're gonna choose one character for act with so somebody more experienced because are the younger version of what. So but I see great potential in all on eyes. You know what I mean? So I know that the future for acting is bright. You know what I mean? So let's put our best foot forward. And do pray because there's a lot of competition and the last one left standing is gonna win. So are you ready? Who's ready to win? Who's ready to win? Like you know wanna win? Do you wanna win, Daddy? You have plans for the money? Do you have plans for the money? You have plans in? You have plans for money? 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 Alright, let's go. So let us go to the first scene.
Alright, hello, good day. My name is Tiana Reed. I'm 17 years old.
Yeah, from when you consider to be an actress?
Not long, just a couple weeks ago.
Alright, so how is it so far?
It's good. It's nice so far.
Alright, so this competition, do you think you have what it takes to be the next top actress?
Yes, I do.
Alright, so where you from?
Grangeville, Pularsfield.
So, alright, so what we're going to do, tell them more about yourself for the viewers.
Alright, I'm a nice person, good to reason with. I have a lot of understanding. Enough people that say I'm mature too quick and so, yeah.
What is your name?
Tiana.
They call you, what they know you on the street as?
Golden.
What's your talent different from acting? What you good at?
Cooking.
Oh, you can cook. You know how to curry chicken?
Yes.
What you do? You throw water or you just make the chicken simmer down without no water?
No, you have to try oil in there and burn it curry.
Okay. You get where.
Alright, so, next.
Goldie,
Yeah.
me need to rake up my yard.
One thing, mommy.
What you mean wrong to me?
Alright.
Rake up my yard because the plate them a wash up and I play with the little girl.
You can't bother me no man. Every time I'm break up yard.
Stop that talk me and do it for you.
Time it's on I'm break up yard. Come on, take me back. I'm gonna listen, man. I'm gonna call that. No, I'm wake up here. Let me come wake up here and wash your plate at the same time. I'll go check your friend.
This is a little girl. Jesus Christ. Goldie! Where she gone? They call her. I'm a dino man. Look what girl away there. How you feel rake half of the yard and left here the half? What you mean you got with the hey, come in the yard right now to me. I don't have to wait too long too. Oh,
Mommy!
hey, you're moving me. You're moving me. You're going to take some and lick across the back. Rake up your yard. Rake up your yard. Rake up your yard.
Mommy, daddy not send a man. Mom, tell man, daddy.
Rake up your yard.
Daddy not send a money, can't hire helper, man.
What you mean hire help if you creep up little garbage in your hey?
Look here, daddy name, daddy because daddy right now, I'm wake up now, yard, man.
Rake up your yard. Rake up your yard.
If you ever lick me I tell daddy.
Me busy about your pa. Me busy about you not your pa. Eh? Hey. Come rake up your yard now and don't play with me. You know, say me not smart if you play
But
with
daddy
her.
would do this, you know.
Me not busy about your
Daddy
papa.
would do this to me.
Me and your papa are two different somebody. That me I try to tell you. So rake up your
That's
yard.
why you have to lift
Rake up your yard.
That's why you left you and fly go a friend.
Give me a while. Let me go in there and come back in and rake up your yard. Do you see what I do today? Nah, no manners.
That's why I see why my father left me, you know. You want to take people.
Hi, my name is Sadiki McLennan. I'm 15 years of age.
Yes. So from when did you decide to be an actress and what pushed you to be an actress?
Well, always wanted to be an actress from a tender age. I would like to perform at JCDC, Jamaican Days, and also Fair Days. So it's like a daily basic something.
All right. So I'm saying to you now, do you know that we're doing a competition, an acting competition? Do you think you have what it takes to be the #1 top actress in the year?
Well, the best is the best. So if I have what it takes, I'll push out the effort.
All right. So do you see any competition around you that you think that would win it over you?
Well, nothing is possible and nothing is impossible.
But you see nobody that you think that is a better actress than you here?
No,
So that means you're going to win, right?
I will.
All right. All the best. All right?
Thank you.
All right.
Sadiki! Yes, mommy. What the rake up your yard?
Who?
You me a talk to the girl go rake up your yard.
Daddy must not send money if you come rake up yard. But me not do nothing no.
Let me come out here and tell you so me tell you idea.
That can make clear.
Jesus Christ, man. Where you could get with me Sadiki! Can't take stress no man. Look at girl. More if you come back in our yard right now, come rake up your yard. How we are chat to so? Come in our yard right now, make me have to wait for air. If I make me wait for you too long, if I make me spit and it dry up me and you in this today. Come back in our yard right now. Me don't talk.
What you want?
What you want? Rake up your yard.
I don't know though.
Rake up your yard, me say. Watch out. How we
Yeah,
are
because
talk to?
daddy say money for foreign, so I'm not doing anything and I don't chat.
So we there for money I depend on.
So I'm to depend pan.
Remember say me a collect you know. You soon stop get money out of it. That me I try to rake up
I
your yard.
wonder who you chat to. Me
Rake
not
up
doing
your-
anything and I don't chat.
How can I pick me this? Mother if I pick me give me a hospital.
Excuse you.
Rake up your yard.
Make you come bend down and do it.
You know what? Me don't talk. You hear me? I'm going to call the father and warn him about you. And you're going to live with
You want this
that
to call him pan here?
Alright.
like eye cares.
Well, basically, my name is Brenna Forbes. I am 15 years of age, and in the future, if God's will, I would like to become a pediatrician.
What a pediatrician?
It's like I want, guys, basically I want nurse to take care of like baby.
Oh, so you mind upon baby at a tender age? Alright, let's go. Alright, what make you choose acting though?
Well, when I did like, I did like act, but I never know really know how to do it and something.
So you know how to do it now?
Little, cannot get a little
Alright, so you
Right.
think you have the confidence to win this competition?
Well, not really.
You must always believe in yourself though. But you're going to give it the best though, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so apart from pediatrician, what else do you do though?
What do me do?
What else you do? Like what else talent you have? Like running, skipping,
Dancing.
singing? Eh?
Dancing.
You do dancing.
Mhm.
So if you don't become a pediatrician or an actress, you're going to be a dancer. You have to be a pediatrician. Or
That's
an
how I
actress.
mostly want to be one pediatrician.
But not an actress yet. But you'll try it though. If you work, you work.
Yeah.
Alright, so well, we look forward to see you and see what you come up with. Don't be so shy though. Push yourself forward. You're a young lady of great potential, right? So just put the best foot forward and we see you and see how far you go. What they call you differently?
Bree.
They call you Bree. Bree with the silk bath? Or not different Bree?
Different.
Oh, alright. Alright then, Bree. Alright.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you and let's see what you do, right?
Yeah.
Alright, that's it.
Brianna! 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 Little girl, you dare so me a call you and answer. Hello, ma'am, are you me to talk to? Who am I rape here? Who am I rape here and come off my phone? Jesus Christ. She wrecked half of the yarn and she left half. Brenda! It's just out in a man. I can't take this no more. Hello? Are we there? Hey. More you come in the yard right now. Come rake up the yard. What you mean the spot a friend them there? Come in the yard right now. Me don't talk. Hey, no argue with me, no little girl. Come in here right now. Hey! Whitney, stop crazy. Go this way. Go this way.
Tap me da me have.
Go this way. Rake up the yard. Rake up
Come
the
on,
yard.
time for wake up here. Let him wake up here already. You think I'm here, sir?
If I
But
back up face with this today, so look at the rake up the yard.
tell me that I have somebody to wake up here for you.
I'm gonna broke the rake up. Take time with it.
One go hand down. You know, I'm only time back. Look where my rake in my house. Where for rake is carry go?
Rake up the yard.
I'm not one daddy there, you know. Can't do anything I want. I'm not to do no. Right from there, little. Right from there, little.
Hello everybody, my name is Renisha Alicia Clark. I am 14 years old and I would love to be an actress and be a star.
Alright, so what give you the drive to want to become an actress? Why do you want to become an actress?
I always see them act on show, I always say, wow, mother love to be one actress like everybody else.
So you think you have what it takes to be a serious actress and be the top winner of this competition for this Christmas?
Yes, if me learn, me will struggle, me will work. It will work. We must work. We try and try.
Alright, so what else you like to do different from acting?
Well, me like to have fun. Yes.
Like what do you call fun?
Like, me love to go out and like go out and enjoy myself.
So what else? Do you have a different talent from acting? Do you run or what? What else?
Yeah, me run.
Or you do chucks?
Yeah.
What's going on with the chucks though?
Well, it not really happen anymore
You not
because
really pan out because you're not that fast as the rest of girls.
yeah.
Alright, so if you realize you're not faster than them, you can't win the race, you sit down on the bench.
Right.
Go walk. Alright, so while the opportunity is there, you know, you have to be confident in yourself and put your best foot forward. Don't overthink it, just live it. Right?
Yeah.
So you're gonna get the opportunity just as everybody else. You're gonna get the fair chance. So you have to believe in yourself. And what the first rule of acting is.
Enough a laugh.
Alright, so I look forward to see you and see what you come up with as we go along. Alright? Let's
Okay.
go. Alright.
Renee, you need to break up yard right now. Break up yard right now. I'm not laughing you. I come and kiss sister till I can rush you from man. Jesus Christ, man. Renee! Call her on her phone. Hey, look a girl. Come in here right now. What you mean that there's what a friend there you can't chat right now? Come in here now, me say. And don't make me have to wait too long. Right now. What you want? How you chat to so? You! How you chat to so? Look at you. You look maga looking. Hey, wake up here now.
No, me have to call daddy, you hear?
What you mean call daddy?
Hello, you know, say one phone call, he fly down here quick. Don't make me have to call him, you hear? Okay.
So who is your father? Who
Hello,
is
what make
daddy
you not
here?
come out take a wake up then?
Me inside a wash plate, me need help.
Where you want help
So where they are for? Where they are for?
Pick up.
Alright, me now while you know, me
If
now
you
while
while
you. Me now while you, me I'll call a papa. Cause he might forgot take me no wire around me. If I say they behave, me no wire around me.
I carried 0.
No
Anyways, me not coming until 8 o'clock tonight, so yeah, that will come out. Yes.
Hi, my name is Brianna. I'm 15 years old.
Alright, Brianna. Why do you choose acting?
I want to be an actress.
But why do you want to be an actress though? You ever think about it? Why do you want to become an actress?
No.
You want to be famous?
Yes.
You want everybody to know your name?
Yes.
Alright, so do you think you have the potential to be an actress?
Yes.
What? Tell her that. What inside you tell her that? You doubt yourself?
No.
But you're looking down on the ground though. Look up. The audience them are looking at you, you know, so you have to talk to them now. Alright, so tell them why should they vote for you though? Why should they carry you?
I want the money.
Tell them. Look at the camera and tell them.
Because I want the money.
Okay, you want the money, the winnings. Yeah, you want the money to buy a Christmas gift. Well, if you get 100,000, what you do with it?
I'm putting it on my account.
You want to put in your account. So there's more money in account already? Or it's going to be only 100,000 night?
That got me only.
Alright, well, you really have to put in the work because everybody in there want 100,000 too. So at the best and the last one standing. You look stronger than them, but do you have what it takes to win though? So it's in you, it's in everybody to win, right?
Yes.
So you're a winner. Winner or loser of this competition, you know, all winners found to get selected for this competition, right?
Yes.
So you already won already, but it's like a competition amongst friends. So let us enjoy it and see what we can come out of it, right?
Yes.
So I wish you all the best and hope that you become the actress that you desire. All right?
Yes.
All right. So lift head up, man. It's gonna be a good day. All right. All right. So I'll see you soon in further details. Let's go.
Brianna! Brianna!
spend no money down here. You know, get maid and come clean up here. I don't like no maid girl. I don't rate nothing. I go to my friend and matter of fact.
Jesus. Lord have mercy for my soul. Brenda! Are we your answer? Hello, me need to come in here right now for rake up your yard. You rake half, you left half. Look, girl, stop playing with me here. Stop playing with me and come in here right now. Come on here. So you reach quick. Come on. You reach quick. Break up your yard. Break up your yard. If I kick your face out today, roll.
I'm going to call daddy. I'm going to call daddy too.
Go and go rake up your yard.
I'm going to rake up no yard.
What you just rolling?
Yard.
One thing I'm good for yam.
Yes.
But they're so big and chubby.
Yes, I'm a father. I send money, make me yummy.
You know what? Me now while you. Me now while you. You stay there. Alright. Stay up then and repeat.
No, rake no yard.
My name is Xavier Poe and I am 17 years old.
When your birthday, daddy?
November 19, 2005.
So today what?
November 19?
So today your birthday?
Yeah.
But to go walk. Alright, so you enter the competition for your birthday. That means you come to win it then. Alright, so what make you want to become an actor?
To show people my talent.
Oh, so you have talent and you're showcase it to the world.
Yeah.
Alright, so from when you want to become an actor? From when you know say you want to become an actor? At which age?
16.
At 16 you know say you want to become an actor. Alright, well, do you think you have what it takes to win this competition?
Yeah, 100%.
Alright, so we go put you to the test. Alright, so do you see any competition inside that you think is better than you in acting? That you think going to win it over you?
No.
Alright, so let us see what's going to take place. Alright, nice meeting you. Get ready for the competition. Let's go.
Listen. Xavier! Xavier! Imagine you could buy me the rent in a sock call. You the rent is up on phone, you know, answer me.
Yeah, come to.
Go and rake up your yard. That me a call you for. Go and rake up your yard.
We are 2 hands.
What you have 2 hands for? What me care for earth for?
You look like a maid.
Yeah. Hey. Hello. Hi. Mr. Saru. I must say I can't manage. Xavier. Hello. Go and rake up your yard. Come on. Hey, it makes sense. I want to get a pin me did have. Xavier! Wonder if you can carry a phone. You can't have a phone. Look, boy. Let me tell you this now. Stop talk. Hey, don't raise a voice off for me. I'm here, your mother. Me care for 9 months. More you come back in the yard, come rate the yard and me don't talk. Me not no long talking with you. That's all that just stress me out. Me can't take it no more. That's all me tell us if you do rake the yard. Come in the yard right now, come rake the yard and stop playing with me.
Mami, oi.
Stop mommy me.
Yeah, call him phone down here.
You mean
Yes, I'm ready already.
come out of my house. Go and go rake yard. And if you can't rake yard, rake half and left half.
Tired.
Look
You
at
don't
boy.
do it yourself, like you have to do it before
Hey,
the man.
if I pop them up, take your pile today.
I know that.
Go and go rake
I know
yard.
that.
Go and go rake yard.
I know that.
And
I say, set up for you, I'm so no.
are you there set up your pan? Imagine me and your mother, me a beg you help me, hey. Make me a chat foolishness. Yeah, worse.
Help yourself.
How you agree,
Yeah, but
stop playing with me and go
Yeah,
rake
but-
yard.
Yeah.
My name is Britannia James and I am 14 years old.
Alright? So, Britannia James, why do you want to become an actress?
Because I just find it fun.
Or you like the fun part of it?
Yes.
Alright, so we're doing a competition where the best female actress is gonna win 100,000. It's a competition, alright? So
Yes.
do you think you have what it takes to be the winner?
Yes.
Alright, so we look forward to see what you bring to the table. So, alright, differently, what do you do different from acting? What do you do? What's your thing that you want to
TikTok.
become? What do you want to become though?
Soldier.
You want to become a soldier? You want to be in the army?
Yes.
Why do you want to go into the army?
I really don't know, but
Or you want to
I
beat up
just
some
like
people?
the idea. No.
You want long gun?
No.
She practice on TikTok as you do the rifle walk. Is it that? Alright, so hope so them give you the gun for army so say do something good with it. Right? So anyway,
Yeah.
so this competition is gonna be something I don't think you meet the next contestant them, so I can't ask you about them and see which one them is better than how which one were.
Yeah.
But we will see the outcome of it today because it starts today. Alright? So
Yes.
put your best foot forward. One on go be the winner, and who win will tell the tears. Let's go.
Okay.
Alright.
Britannia, walk. Jesus, how we are so? Little girl right here, please and thank you. Rake up the yard.
Man, you know, say me nah do this, me nah do nothing, because me no know no keeper.
Imagine she rake half a yard and left half. Me call her. Britannia! Hello? Little girl, where you there? Me not tell us if you rake up yard, where you gone? Hello? Don't stop playing with me here. Come back in your yard right now to me. Right now.
What you want?
When you want.
Yeah, what you want?
I say you shut your mother what she want. Go out there
you
so.
want?
Go out there so.
Me nah move.
Go out there so go rake up the yard. Hey, hey, hey. Rake up the yard now and stop playing with me.
See it there, me done. See it there, kid, me done.
You don't know manners. You don't know manners. Who you to get in the yard there? You. Me I go say I go live with your pooper. Your dirty
Say me go live
pooper.
with who, which papa?
No where you say that here?
Alright, that's me at and you can't take me out.
Okay. I'm gonna make a phone call.
Hi, my name is Akila Kadna. I am 15 years old and I would like to become an actress and a model.
Alright, so what gives you the courage that you really want to do acting?
When I watch you guys on television.
Alright, so watching us making you want to be an actress, we understand that. That is good. So you have any other talent different from acting?
Running.
Running. Yeah, we all need that in Jamaica. We need the next Usain Bolt or Shelley and Fraser. But otherwise than that though, you think you have the talent to win the 100,000
Yes.
and you think you're better than who they go coming at the competition.
Not really, but we can see what happens.
Yeah, you kind of have a fair talk. Alright, let's kick it, punch it. Peace out.
Bye.
Brittany not there, you know, because Brittany gone and nigga gone act a scene, so I'm going to try to play a mother role. Wish, boy, I never tried that, but it has to go work. So, you're behaving as an unruly child, you don't listen to what your mother says, no matter what your mother tell you. So we just want to see your face reaction and how you react when your mother tell you to do something. But please, don't look in the camera. Because are you the camera going upon, not me. Every shooting, are you alone. Ready?
Yeah. I can't bother to rake up no yard.
No, break yourself with me. Rake you up.
Can't take botheration more while, you know.
Oh.
Everything you want me do, you know. Go link my friend here, because I can't bother with them or something. Can't bother, you know, man. I can't bother, you know. What you say?
You walk out, you think you're a big man?
But me I go look for one of my friend.
Look for which friend? Your friend can't put food on your table?
My father not send money.
I don't business by your father. I don't business which money you want to send. A yard me I talk about. The yard. The yard me I talk about. And I yourself with me. How will you cut your yard?
Me never cut my eye.
You man, wait, properly man. You don't want heat. You don't want heat, but you don't want nothing in the house. How me I talk to you and talk to Paulo for myself?
Can't bother, you know.
Can't bother you. Can't bother you.
You hear me say nothing?
I hear the word come out of your mouth. You can't bother you. You have to be yourself now.
Everything you want me do.
What? Me
can't even go look for my friend. You can't rake it.
Listen, I don't rake yard. I wash and cook and give you to eat. That's the simplest thing if you rake yard.
Me so come back.
My name is Aisha Mawat. I'm 16 years old. I'm from the parish of Hanover, and in the future I'd like to become an actress.
Alright, what brings or want to push your mind to be an actress?
From ever since I started watching Richard films, the characters in it encourage me, push me more, they're saying, don't care about who you are, just play your part and play your role. That's why it pushed me so much to play my part. I'm a very miserable person. At times I'm funny and I'm friendly, but I always try to play my character and do my part. So it pushed me a lot. And big up to Richard films.
Who is your favorite character in Richard Brown films?
Candy.
Alright. So you think you can be the next Candy or better than Candy?
Of course. I think I can do all things through Christ.
And you think you have the potential to win the 100,000?
As I said, I can do all things through Christ. So, yes, I think so.
Alright. So you feel like you're better than the rest of the competition? You don't have...
No. Alright. I'm not the best. I'm not the perfect. But I think I have the potential to do anything. So, yes, I'll give it a yes.
Alright. The viewers that watch right now, because we know them watch right now, what you have to say to them?
Well, please, vote for me. It's Team Aisha. Please, I'm begging you. And I love you all.
Peace out. Aisha!
Oi. Yes, mommy.
Why you not wake up your yard, little girl? Why you not wake up your yard?
Me tired. Me can't. Me will do that little more. Me can't do that no time long.
Aisha, I beg you, please, wake up your yard. From
And
morning
me
to
say,
evening, me
listen to me, me I tell you, so me will do this after. Me not have time for this no. I want me even have some TikTok video for do. But just give me a little time. Me not have time for none of this right now. Me wake up this in the afternoon,
girl,
please.
you see
Just
from your father left you and gone, you know, come back.
that no matter me. Now you me live with. Me just want play my part. Yes, sir. When later in the afternoon, me just brush up this year. Me have things to do, you know. And uno alone they do things. Me have better things to do than uno.
Take a break.
Who you talking to?
Take a break.
Who you talking to?
Take a break.
Where you are going to use that though?
Break yard.
So where you are use that though?
You want to know me I going to use it?
Listen. Yes, you say, you're my mother, you know, but listen now. If you lay your hand on me, but we still up and fight and don't have to go on the road for my friend them. Don't you dare!
Oh, so I look up pissing tail for them out of road.
Yeah, at them. They say if you hate me, can't call upon them. If you put that problem, what are we going to gang around here? Don't play with me, tell us, Lena, even me wake up. When I go about my business, I have TikTok video to do. I don't have time for you. You close your washer, all of this. When there's a mess, you come like, you're not getting enough. I come tell me about ever since father left. Me busy with father. Sure. Me have better things to do. Me have better life. Me have more things to do than you. You right now. Me not have time for you. I still turn up the look for me.
Hi, my name is Nevona Crossman. I am 15 years old and I am from Montego Bay, St. James.
And why do you want to really, sorry about that, why do you really want to be an actress?
Well, the reason why I really want to be an actress is because I enjoy being in front of the camera. I started watching Nollywood movies or Nigerian movies, and from then I've been interested.
So you think you got what it takes to win the competition?
Yes, I do.
You think any one of these contestants have the talent like you?
No, I don't.
So, what other else talent do you have?
Well, I enjoy making music or writing songs or so forth.
So do you cook?
Of course I do, every day.
Okay, so what you have to tell the people then, because this is the end of the interview.
I'm asking you all please to vote for Nevona. Yeah.
Akira? Yeah. How will you answer here like piece of teeth? One more rake up your yard for me.
Mommy, me can't bother to rake up the yard right now.
One more rake up your yard, me say.
Can't bother to rake up the yard, you know. Sure. Maybe if you rake up yard. Sure, I'm rake up the yard. I'm looking for it.
Jesus Christ! The little girl rake half a yard and left half. Akila! I call her. Because she feel me not playing with her. Hello, little girl, come in the yard right now. What you mean you just want a friend then there? Come in the yard right now. Hey. Me done talking and me done talk. Come in the yard right now. So imagine, you come back here, also turn up a steer and you up a record here.
Me not rake no yard, I'm serious. Me not rake no yard. Want to all that money where daddy send you? Yeah. Daddy send you how much money? Why you not pay somebody if you rake the yard? I am not no maid, me not rake no yard.
You don't have no manners, I'm going to live with a father. Me can't take you no more. Me
No,
can't take you no
me
more.
there around daddy not make me rake no yard.
Alright.
Me not rake no yard.
No problem, stay there. I'm going to make a phone call. Bye. Bye. You don't in the phone and me a call you in this so.
You didn't call me.
Where me there I call you? Go and go rake up your yard, please and thanks.
I'm tired now.
Where me not tired? Go and go rake up your yard.
But me early wake me this morning.
Me not business. From me can wake early, you must can wake early too. You're not long, you're not in my house and sleep in no bed late. Go and go rake your yard.
Listen me. Listen, my daddy send me money here. Me not supposed to rent no yard. You supposed to use money out of it too. And pay a man to rake yard. Yard bushy.
The pitney eye worse when me have. Papa! Yeah, make me drop down, you know, man. Me can't take him no, man. Hello? Look boy. Me need to come in the yard right now. Me not gonna raise my voice off for you. Me want to come in the yard right now and rake up the yard. Imagine. Me tell you to rake up the yard. They rake half and left half. Come in the yard right now and stop playing with me. Right now.
Why you call me phone for? You think I me tell daddy if he left you? You think I me tell daddy if he left you?
The reason why your father left me because you don't have no sense.
My father.
Your father left me for idiot.
No, if it's daddy woman.
You busy about your father, woman? Rake up your yard. And that me a talk, but me a talk about you for rake up your yard. Rake up your yard and stop playing with me.
If you didn't rake your yard and cook food and wash your plate properly, daddy wouldn't left you. Instead of telling me if you rake your yard, better than tell me to go take up my book and study. You're going to go tell me to rake your yard.
Rake your yard and I can't pick up a book and study.
Study where? When they don't rake your yard, I have no sense to study. Try out a dosing and I sign up. I sign up. I don't like this time, mommy. This is every morning. Like every morning for your yard. I have you on phone to the next man. Me gonna tell daddy too.
Me a father in a day, so nothing wrong. Let me tell you this now.